I'm Les, and I started Effect Home Builders over 20 years ago with amazing partners. Over the years, we've won multiple awards for design and energy efficiency. But at the heart, we care most about serving people and standing behind our word. That is what matters most to us. I want to read something to you that we wrote that is a reflection of what we believe truly makes a home. A house is not a home. A house is walls and windows, floors and doors. But a home is a soil where families take root. A house is static and lifeless, wood and paint. A home is where you dance your heart out, sing off key, and rock pink sweats without shame. A house is empty rooms and hallways. A home is great meals shared and laughing till it hurts. A house is a shelter from the weather. A home is a shelter from the storms of life. A house is built. A home is designed. A house ages. A home creates a legacy that lasts for generations. A house consumes. A home gives back. Anyone can build you a house, but building a home takes heart and rare skill. So for us, building a home means co-creating a vision, building with future generations in mind, listening and seeking to understand, designing solutions to complex ideas, leading with sustainability and efficiency, building better at every step, crafting hopes and dreams into real tangibles, spending less on energy bills so you can invest in what matters most.